Well, GSS offers a comprehensive approach to healthier, cleaner, senior living environments that is both holistic and scientific. First, we cover it top to bottom by providing products for high-touch surfaces as well as flooring. And second, we provide proven best-in-class products that are safe, sustainable, and verifiably effective. This comprehensive approach benefits everyone living and working in that community. And furthermore, we provide fantastic customer service on all of our products nationwide. My name is Tom Holm, and I'm the president of Green Science Solutions.